So today we're holding a vibe with Bling Dawg. Hi Bling, how are
Hey,
you?
Kylie, what's up?
You good?
I'm great.
So the last time we spoke to you, you took us on your fitness journey, you shared your results,
Yeah.
you actually shared that part of your life with us.
Yeah.
We saw a different side of Bling Dawg.
Yeah.
But now we're actually talking about new music from Bling Dawg.
Yeah,
You
new
took
music.
3 years or 3.5
Three and a half
years
years, yeah.
from music altogether, from putting out anything new.
Yeah.
Why is that?
Well, you see in life, you can't drive a car 1 year and don't service it. In terms of a human body or a human himself, we have to grow.
Right.
You know what I mean? I have to take changes. But for the business, you keep on doing the same thing over and over. You keep on getting the same results. So I just feel like I just take a hiatus and just try to nurture my craft and the real aspect of the music.
Tell me now, what were you doing within that time frame? Within the 3 years, 3.5 years, what were you doing with yourself?
I was working on an album.
Okay.
I had a full one-drop album that I recorded, you know what I mean, and it's been turmoil through the up and downs of the years where, you know what I mean?
Right.
Because sometimes you hear these things, oh, way my door, or pop down, or what, an idea, and even on Instagram, religiously I used to post record like every day. People used to cuss me and say, we want music now.
Yeah.
But I was doing music as hard as I was working out, but I wasn't posting.
You weren't sharing it.
No.
What was your thinking behind that? Why were you holding out on your fans
Well,
with the
sometimes it's
music?
not really holding out, because for most fans, they would have wanted to work continuously.
Every week drop something new.
Yeah, but remember, say you have a personal life, so I have
Yeah.
family, you know what I mean, that I have to attend to in some part or somewhere of your life. You just can't just do music, you know what I mean? And me, no, for the 3 years that I was there, I was working on an album.
Right.
And the album, trust me, Adrian Lock started, and then I really want to do it for myself, like an
Okay.
album. And Adrian Lock started, and then I get different producers on it. Baby G, that's James, Junior Gang produced 2 tracks on it.
Okay,
And the
cool.
features on the album that I have Popcorn, Busy Signal, Bounty Killer, Tanya Steven,
Wow.
Romeo and Virgo, Christopher Martin, Morgan Heritage, and Bounty Killer. Everybody that's on this album is artists that I respect. I respect more artists in the business, but at the time,
Yeah.
and to the meditation and the vibes.
The positive vibes.
Yeah, and the journey. It's not even like even the positive vibe, because you have a lot of artists out there on a positive vibe, but these artists who I have on the project is artists that I rate.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I love the musical journey too as well with minds, and why I choose these artists embedded in this kind of culture of one drop.
Right.
Because one drop, where it's still our music, reggae music, dancehall,
Right.
but it's more technical.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Because
Okay.
if most artists can DJ upon one drop, then we just go do it. But it takes learning, it takes humbleness, it takes skill.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And that's what I grasped over the last 3 years.
3.5
Three and a half years. And it's frustrating at times. I even go at stage show, all right, Unruly Fest. Popcorn the one with the DJ Unruly Fest.
Yeah.
I'm saying, brother, I'm not telling a lie, so I'm in a DJ vibes right now. You know
It
what
is
I
a
mean?
whole of meds
For most little
yeah.
show, get a splash with Jamie them, and it's not like say, I could have go DJ, but we just want to take a break a little bit
Yeah.
and then just come back fresh. And everybody understand, but for the artists that's on the album, I respect them lyrically, I respect them work ethics, I respect them art, you know what I mean? And it's overwhelming if you even get them on it, because even my manager was asking me, how I get all these artists on one album? You know
Yeah.
what I mean? And
It
was
happened.
Really, yeah, it was
It
happened,
happened.
but just the mercy of John Musa.
It happened. So, Bling, you mentioned, this whole refreshing vibe and positive energy and putting out some new stuff. So, from the album, you've put out your brand new track. Tell me about it. The brand new track where you're telling me about now.
All right.
What's it called?
God is amazing.
God is Amazing. Your brand new song that you just put out from the album. Tell me about that track.
All right, God is amazing. God is amazing is a song where sometimes you just try to get a pure vibe and a pure spirit and search and believe in the Most High and go on your journey. You know what I mean? And you're confident in Him. You can't tell you top but top.
Okay.
You know what I mean? And
Right.
you were so crazy about this. This song wasn't even recorded on the album, because the album done mixed and mastered already. And then I voiced this song probably about 3 weeks ago. You know what I mean? And I say, since I don't put out a song in about 3 years, 3.5 years or so, we're going to put out a single just to be relevant, because it's been so long,
Right.
So we got
And of course, give your fans something to look forward to.
yeah, and we got some booms and put it out, and trust me, the overwhelming response where I'm getting from even fellow industry players, radio man all over the world.
Yeah.
It's just crazy. People reposting it, telling me
They weren't expecting that side
they
of
never
Bling Dawg.
expecting that
Yeah.
side. So what we did now, this song is have to be on the album, and it's giving a chance, and people want to hear what's in store, what it's coming with. You know what I mean? Because it's years, and you know what I mean. It's time for the way you just take a break and just rejuvenate and just come back again and just refurbish and come back again and just recreate and reborn and come back again. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And you don't know, the most I just help me, and I just say that, and some of the things that happen, I can't tell it happen, but the door just open and just walk through.
Ah, there you go, Bling. So tell me now, you have a video for this song?
God is amazing.
Yes.
But
Yes. Tell me about the video.
well, the video is crazy because so you have some people like them just get up every day, work a 9 to 5, think about money, right through. And then even take a second out of the day for prayer. Me pray religiously. You know what I mean? Believe in the Most High. So the video is this guy, him get a whole heap of riches. And the mother call him for, you know what I mean? Him nah answer. Mother end up on a sick bed now, and I call him nah answer. Then him see doctor start calling him. And when the doctor call him and tell him news, him say, what?
Yeah.
And him get frustrated, and the girl will check off, I push her out of the car and drive go. And when we go there, him see mother on the dying bed, and I try to take out him wallet and him chain and everything. And I give him mother. So I say, no care how you rich, have time for the Most High, because money can't save life.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because you can around 50 millionaires, you see me? And then when time comes with sickness, you still have prayer, but at the end of the day, the money can't save you. So you still, don't get me wrong, you still have to look the money because your bills have to pay.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, why you looking the money and why you pray to get it, when you pray to get it, give thanks for it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Don't turn your back on God.
Okay.
Because enough people say, yo, well, I pray for this now, when we get it, watch what I'm going to do. God don't know so you do that, so you're not even obey it. So you have to have a pure heart and a clean heart where you pray and know where you're doing good intention. And you come right at your foot.
Right at your foot.
I want me confident and powerful right now. I'm unstoppable, I swear to you.
Hey, I can feel it. I can feel it, Bling.
At the Most High, through the journeys, the up and down, and the terrain, keep focus. You never leave us. Hear me now? It's only pain and suffering, and that makes some people pray. Millionaire with one heap of money, cancer take his mother away, and it can't help.